For finding square root of complete squares, we must memorize the squares of first 9 numbers and check for the units place. Now you can see that 1 and 9 are having 1 in the units place, 2 and 8 are having 4 in the units place, and 3 and 7 are having 9 in the units place. Squares of 4 and 6 have 6 in the units place. And what about 5? Square of 5 have 5 in their units place. These facts we will use to find the square root. So, let's start. For example, we have to find the square root of 784. Divide the number into two groups such that tens and unit place digits are in one group. Remaining digits are in the other group. Two groups of 784 will be 7 and 84. 7 helps us to find the tens place digit of the square root, and 84 will tell us the ones digit. Now see, 7 lies between 4 and 9. Isn't it so? Now square root of the smaller number 4 is 2. So we will have 2 in the tens place digit of the square root. So we got the tens place of the square root of 784. Now let us look at 84, which will help us to find the unit place digit of the square root. Now you can see that unit place of 2 square and 8 square is 4. So the two possibilities are 2 and 8. Now how to find out whether it will be 2 or 8? One is multiplication, or the another one is that multiply the tens place digit of the square root, that is 2, by its successor, that is 3. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 is smaller than 7. So we will take the bigger number as the units place. So 8 is greater than 2. So unit place will be 8. So square root of 784 is 28. Let us take one more example. Find the square root of 1849. Its two groups are 18 and 49. Now 18 lies between 16 and 25, that is 4 square and 5 square. So tens place will be 4, the smaller of 2. And for units digit, it is 9. 9 is the unit place of 3 square and 7 square. So unit place digit is either 3 or 7. Now we will multiply tens place with its successor. 4 5s are 20, but 20 is greater than 18. Now in this case we will take smaller of the two, that is 3 is the units place digit. So the square root of 1849 is 43. So it is very easy method.